Those are nice. Nana, I love you.
I love you too, Bobby.
Look, there's a raisin.
Okay, here we go, Meg. There's your food. Here. Here, baby.
Meg,
Here you go.
you hear me? I searched the earth for so dang long. And I can't find Meg.
Aw.
Meg, can you hear me? I searched the
Raven! 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 Hi, Raven! Look at you. You're right there. I see you. I see you.
We've been giving them off.
Hi, Moon. Hi, Moon. Hi, baby.
Go sleep in
Hi,
your room.
baby.
Nana,
Huh?
I told her to go sleep in her room. She said no because I cleaned our entire room myself and he hasn't cleaned anything.
Oh, no.
There's
no,
barely
no.
any stuff on the floor. No, our floor is gross. Aw,
Look at this. Look at AJ. I know.
See
Hey, baby.
everything over.
Hi, baby. Loconcito. Eso es el loconcito.
They're in the pen.
Hi, baby.
Give me some grapes. Oh, look.
Megan, are you keeping them company?
Whoa, jeez.
Are they being good boys?
We need
No.
to get out of
Yeah.
here. The piggies are fine. Maggie! No, they need to get out because the Meg sound freaks Meg. I mean, the pig sound freaks Meg. Meg! And they jump. Meg jumps. Meg! Come here, Maggie! 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 Maggie, I got grapes. Mag!
Here, Meg. Here, Mama. Cosita na niña.
The grapes. Take them.
Ay, qué rica. Hmm.
We'll go sleep upstairs. La 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 la. I don't want to fight you, but I don't know when I'm in it when I said that I liked you.